Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel LHT. This is palm leaf manuscript and today I'll show you how to make this carving pen for this manuscript. So further do anything, let's get started. One useless brush. All you're gonna need to make this carving tool. You can see the bristle here becomes solid and completely useless. Now we'll remove this metal cover. Little twist and it will open. Oh, not this one. Need to remove this part. Don't press it too hard or else you will damage the metal part. Now we'll make a little hole in this brush by using this mini drill machine. Let's drill it. Now by using this sandpaper we'll remove the paint. Very annoying. I hate this sound. Sanding the leftover places now. Now the metal part. Need to cut it in proper size. Ready for the sound? Perfect. Now little carving for better fit. Sanding the metal part for better look. Here will come the tricky part. Need this type of long needle for the pointer of the carving pen. See how big it is? Measure the needle and cut it out. Now, time to fix it. Here is some stone powder. You can also use wooden dust, and this is super glue. Let's attach the needle in the little hole I made in this brush. First pour some super glue, then saturate this needle in the glue and dip it into the powder. And then put it into the hole. Pour some glue and again apply more powder on the glued areas. Cover it completely. And now we'll fix the metal cover on it by using the same technique with super glue and powder. Cover it up and sand it down by the sandpaper. It's done now. Our carving is complete here. See how it looks? I know you can do it better. Let's test it out. Here is a little palm leaf. Now we'll carve on it. Slow and steady. Need a little bit of practice. Done. We'll apply black acrylic paint here using a tissue paper and apply on this dried palm leaf. Removing the color with water. Complete. So, how is this? Please subscribe for this little tutorial video. Don't forget to share your views in the comment section down below. If you like this pen and if you like this type of manuscript, you can also contact me. Contact details in the description box down below. I make this blank palm leaf manuscript based on the order I receive. The making video of this palm leaf manuscript is already there in my channel. You can check that also. This is 100% organic and handmade manuscript. So that's it for this video. Hope you like this carving pen and real palm leaf manuscript. Do subscribe to this channel. Till then, thanks for watching and see you next time.